Explore the most enchanting places near Rishikesh for nature and adventure. Nilkanth Mahadev Temple, 32 km, offers breathtaking views amidst lush forests, perfect for spiritual seekers. Rajaji National Park, 15 to 20, is a wildlife haven where you can spot elephants, leopards, and deer. Shivpuri, 16 km, is the ultimate destination for river rafting and thrilling adventure activities. Vashishta Gufa, 25 km, is a serene meditation spot, ideal for finding peace by the Ganga's banks. Kaudiyala, 36 km, is famous for its scenic beauty, attracting adventurers for rafting and camping. Dehradun, 45 km, a charming city, features Robber's Cave and delightful cafes to unwind. Mussoorie, 73 km, known as the Queen of Hills, boasts stunning views and picturesque waterfalls. Haridwar, 20 km, offers spiritual experiences, including the iconic Ganga Aarti and sacred temples. Devprayag, 75 km, where two rivers meet, Sangam, is a breathtaking sight and a must-visit for nature lovers. Subscribe Anant Workspace for more travel inspiration and adventure tips.